Manager. Web-based. Maintenance asset management software. Organizational chart module.
An organizational chart is a diagram that visually conveys a company's internal structure by detailing the roles, responsibilities, and relationships between individuals within an entity. Organizational charts are alternatively referred to as org charts or organization charts.
Organizational charts have a variety of uses and can be structured in many different ways. They might be used as a management tool for planning purposes, or as a personnel directory, for example.
Organizational chart. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based maintenance asset management software. Organizational chart module.
For more information, please contact Engineer Ibrahim Hamd.
Claris, an Apple company, is the leader in workplace innovation. Claris grew out of a vision to make powerful technologies available to everyone.
Staying true to our core values has helped us thrive during 20+ years in business as we pursue our mission to advance creative potential.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based maintenance asset management software. Organizational chart module. Based on Claris FileMaker.
An organization chart, also known as an org chart or organizational chart, is a useful tool that businesses can use to display the structure of their company.
Presented in the form of a flow diagram, the chart helps to show the relationships between different departments and employees.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based maintenance asset management software. Organizational chart module. Based on Claris FileMaker.
Maybe you need a clear visual aid to communicate
your business structure to new employees.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based maintenance asset management software. Organizational chart module. Based on Claris FileMaker.
or there's some confusion about who is reporting to who.
The org chart can be used as a management tool to improve team performance.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based maintenance asset management software. Organizational chart module. Based on Claris FileMaker.
The org chart module, for planning purposes or simply as a visual personnel directory.
For planning purposes or simply as a visual personnel directory.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based maintenance asset management software.
The org chart module.
The most common shape of org chart is a pyramid, which shows a traditional business structure.
A pyramid, which shows a traditional business structure.
A single person or group sits at the top,
followed by managers and then
other employees beneath.
Within the structure,
the chart is divided by
department single manager.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based maintenance asset management software. Organizational chart module.
For example, the accounts department, department of media, the sales department,
marketing department, etc. and all employees report to a single manager.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based maintenance asset management software. Organizational chart module.
Organization chart benefits.
A well-presented org chart can improve clarity and communication for a business.
Effectively manage growth.
When employers have a clear view of where everyone fits into the organization and what functions they perform, it will become much easier to see which areas of the business need changing.
Whether it's two teams merging into one or hiring more staff, the movements can be clearly mapped out beforehand using the chart, allowing you to more accurately predict their success or failure.
Organization chart benefits. Improve lines of communication.
With working relationships clearly visible in an organizational chart, every employee knows who they can go to when they need assistance, instead of trying to struggle alone.
Within the diagram, it is easy to see who holds which responsibilities and who is involved within which projects, helping to minimize wasted time and improve efficiency.
Organization chart benefits. Visualize the bigger picture.
Sometimes it's easy to forget that your work is feeding into something far bigger. If the people working for you can see that their role directly contributes to the business running smoothly and efficiently, it will greatly improve staff morale and output.
Maintenance Asset Manager. Web-based.
Maintenance asset management software.
Organizational chart module. Live demo. Organization chart module. Live demo. Engineer Ibrahim Hamdan at live demo. As example, we have holding company with 6 sub-companies. The 6 sub-companies represent the top level for the organization chart. Level 1 for that organization has the following sub-branches names. Sub-companies.
Branch number 1. Gulf Branch. The head of the branch, Susan El Said Ali Taha. Branch number 2. North Africa Branch. The head of the branch, Ashraf Mahmoud Ahmed. Branch number 3. 6th of October Branch. The head of the branch, Ali Zaki El Hefnawi.
Branch number 4. Daki Branch. The head of the branch, Marwan Ahmed Atef. Branch number 5. Mohansin Branch. The head of the branch, Zakaria Mahmoud Hamdi. Branch number 6. Nasser City Cairo. The head of the branch, Saeed Mustafa Ashraf.
Level 2 for that organization chart. Every sub-company sub-branch consists of different departments. As example for Gulf Branch has the following departments.
Department of Media. Department number 1. The head of the department, Wafa Ahmed Mohammed. The Accounts Department. Department number 7. The head of the department, Hamdi Ashraf Goma. The Sales Department. Department number 13. The head of the department, Fawaz Amin Muhammad. The Marketing Department. Department number 19. The head of the department, Hanim Lotfi El Zaid.
The Public Relations Department. Department number 25. The head of the department, Hanim Lotfi El Zaid. The Training Department. Department number 31. The head of the department, Wafa Aouf Bashsuni. The Purchases Department. Department number 37. The head of the department, Fawaz Amin Muhammad.
Of different sections. Sections represent the level number 3 for the organization chart. As example, Daki Branch. The Accounts Department has the following sections.
Section name Internal Audit. Section number 14. Head of the section, Hawid Ali Anis. Section name Follow-up and Development. Section number 15. Head of the section, Ikram Mohieddin Ali. Section name budget. Section number 16. Head of the section. Shema Taki Alzaid.
Section name payroll. Section number 17. Head of the section. Ali Abdo. Section name warehouse affairs. Section number 18. Head of the section. El Said Ahmed Hamda.